to your softened cream cheese, add 1 diced onion. Add 1 finely diced jalapeno. Add 1½ cup of shredded sharp cheddar. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix it up. We're going to roll up and fill our chicken. And now we're just going to wrap our stuffed chicken with bacon. After wrapping, they should look something like this, and then I'm just going to lightly dust them with some of Meat Church's Holy Gospel barbecue rub. You can bake these in the oven at 375 for about 35-40 minutes until your internal temperature reaches 165, but we're going to smoke ours.